Is your Apple Watch not charging at all? This usually happens because of a faulty cable, a dirty charging surface, or a software glitch. Don't panic. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the not charging issue on your Apple Watch. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before we start, make sure these basic things are taken care of. If your Apple Watch or charger is new, make sure all plastic wrapping has been removed from both sides of the charger. Clean the back of your Apple Watch and the magnetic charging surface with a soft, dry, and thin cloth. Make sure the charging cable is fully plugged into the power adapter and the adapter is securely plugged into a working wall socket. After that, follow these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Force restart Apple Watch. Connect your charger to your Apple Watch. Then press and hold both the side button and the digital crown simultaneously until the Apple logo appears. Now hold off and wait to restart. Now check whether it is charging or not. Solution 2. Try changing the Apple Watch charger and adapter. Try using a different charger, or you can borrow one from your friend to see if that works or not. You can also try to change a different adapter to see the results. Solution 3. Optimized battery charging. Open up the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Battery. Scroll down a bit. Here you will find the Battery Health option. Scroll down again. Find the Optimized Charge Limit, and then toggle it off. Solution 4. Update your software. Open the watch home screen. Tap on the Settings app. Now scroll down and then tap General. Tap Software Update. If there is a new update, then download and install the update. That's it. This is how you can fix the not charging issue on your Apple Watch. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have anything to ask, then let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and goodbye for now.